compatriots, Nigeria's gonna obey to serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. The road of our heroes past shall never be in vain. With us, we start our mind, so celebrate the freedom, peace and unity.
My pledge to my country, I pledge to Nigeria to perform the best. I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest, to serve Nigeria with all my strength, and to defend our unity and integrity, to defend our unity and uphold our honor and glory. So help me